Now the Lord has just spoken with me again. The Lord Jehovah El Olam, Jehovah Adonai, the Lord Jehovah Elyon, Jehovah Sabaoth, the Lord of hosts. He has just spoken with me again regarding what is about to happen to this earth. Well, the Lord has now announced to me officially that there is an earthquake coming to strike Kenya. There is going to be a shocking earthquake that will strike Kenya. Again, the Lord has spoken with me and He put me in that earthquake. There is an earthquake coming to strike Kenya. Again, the Lord has now made it formal and official and announced that there is an earthquake that is going to come to Kenya. I have seen that earthquake in the dream. I ran for my life. It was very terrifying. It's a massive shaking. And it will be a very stunning moment to behold, to live to see in this land.